Hey everybody, I've got some football to open as promised. I think next out of these goodies, woo! No, you're not drunk. It's just me with very bad filming skills. I think next up I'm going to bust into this playoff and get the 4 hits. Hopefully 4 hits. I know I've already lamented and cried over my missing hits from the other 2 boxes I opened many times. I'm sure if you follow the channel at all, you've heard my sob story about that. But I'm giving you another chance, Panini. I'm giving you another chance. Well, the reason I am too is that the hits that I did get, I mean, were pretty decent. I enjoyed opening it, this product, other than that. So if I get what I'm supposed to get, then this should be fun. And if I don't, well, I'll be sad. I said it in another video. One of the bummers is I followed the protocol for what you're supposed to do with Panini anyways, if your product is missing a hit. And the first time it was missing a hit, I sent my stuff in and they pretty quickly turned around and sent me a replacement. The second time I did it, I got nothing, and they claimed to have not received my request, so I don't know about that. Seems kind of sketchy. Alright, let's get into it. Let's quit crying, be positive, and hope for a good break. Alright, Cobb, Smith, Donald, Ertz. We've got a redemption. Oh, is my luck streak going to carry on? Let's set it down. Let's wait on it. Let's just do it. There's a Hines rookie wave and a DJ Moore rookie. Now, redemption, of course, does not necessarily mean that I got something crazy good. Allen Robinson. Got something thick in here. Von Miller, Dante Hightower, Humphreys, Powell, Christian McCaffrey. Game day, just a plain jersey. It is numbered out of 50. It's a gold parallel. Unfortunately, it's just a really small piece of jersey there, but not bad. Not going to complain about that. Alright. Hidden Gems insert and Fred Warner rookie. Yeah, I think we've come to like always assume that redemption means something good, but that's not always the case. Often it is, but not always. Alright. Mike White, what is this? That is a rookie parallel to 99 gold. First down parallel. Thunder and Lightning, Seahawks. Calvin Ridley, rookie wave, and Mike Hughes, rookie card. Hooker, Hyde, Collins, Norman, Robert Woods, another first down, 299 parallel. Peyton Manning, playoff heroes. Garoppolo, what is this? Air Command. Holmes rookie. Alright. Moving on. Fitz, Sanders, Roberts, Amendola. Let's see, is Jamon Moore an auto or... Oh, I guess it's thick. Yeah, it is. So, it's alright. I think I pulled his auto out of Donruss Optic too. So, it's okay. Pierre Garcon, Hidden Gems, DJ Chark, rookie. Let's see, Sony Michel there on the back. Portals, Cook, Wilson, Super Bowl MVP, playoff, Von Miller. Well, that's not bad. So I wonder, then closed, player worn material. So I guess it doesn't mean or doesn't guarantee that this material was worn in the Super Bowl ever. I had to check. All right, Andy Dalton, Air Command, and Sony Michel rookie. So that should be it for the hits. We're just waiting to see who that redemption is. Tucker, Atkins, Watkins, Hogan, Brait, a Thunder and Lightning lines. There's a Saquon, sweet. Set that aside. And Danny Etling, rookie card. Landry, Peterson, Harris, I think that's what that said. Wentz, Wake, Kurt Warner, Playoff Heroes, a DJ Moore, rookie wave, and Kalen Ballage, rookie wave. Move these wrappers out of my way. Okay. McCarron, Miller. I can't hardly read the print the way it's printed in this light. Good one. Burkhead. Derwin James, second down /49. Thunder and Lightning, Rams, Mariota, Air Command, and Lorenzo Carter, rookie. Keenum, Collins, Jenkins, Cup, Terrell Suggs, first down /99. Stargazing, Aaron Rodgers, Air Command, Cam Newton, and Daurice Fountain, rookie. Golf, Booker, Crabtree, Barber, McCown, Thunder and Lightning Titans, Edelman, Hidden Gems, and Jair Alexander, rookie. Last pack before we check out the redemption. Sounds like the name of a movie, The Redemption. We're going to the redemption. Alright, Thunder and Lightning. Who is this? Le'Veon Bell and Antonio Brown. Cortland Sutton, rookie wave. And Lazard, rookie. Alright, so is our redemption somebody good or just an average redemption? Let me set it down. Flip through these. Let's see if we can do the slow roll. Give me something to do it with so I can surprise myself even. Alright, here we are. Sport football, yeah, we know. Playoff, we know. Oh, it is Contenders Preview rookie ticket. Oh, there's probably a lot of those. It is. Oh, variations. 117. Kerryon Johnson, that's not too bad. Definitely a decent running back from the class. Alright then. I have to check into variations and try to see if this is numbered or not. So, okay, I'll take it. Kerryon Johnson, Von Miller, Jamon Moore, not numbered sticker auto, and the /49, I mean 50 McCaffrey jersey. So, decent box. Wondering if my crazy luck is running out. I don't know. We still got contenders. We still got this prism and rookies and stars. So still plenty of chances for some good luck. So stay tuned.